1, 2.
Well, you all have a lot of memories together. That's pretty cool.
Okay.
I hit Pompeii last year. And
oh, did you go to Pompeii?
Yeah.
Oh my God, I'm envious of you.
While you're in Italy, you got to, right?
Yeah.
It's not far from Florence.
We went to Pisa, and I was actually really surprised you could go up. I just assumed, like...
Yeah, it was off limits.
That's a pretty neat place. You walk in and it's so white.
Yeah. That's what it felt like when you walked through the town from where we had the park.
Yeah.
It was such a, I don't know.
Magical moment?
No, like a flea market.
Oh, yeah.
It's a little dirty.
Yeah, I was there.
As soon as you clear the gate into where Pisa's at, it's clean and beautiful.
Yeah.
It's like the difference in outside the airport to Miraflores, you know.
Yeah.
No, Pompeii was awesome.
That's a place I hadn't thought about going. That'd be kind of cool. Where'd you fly into to go to Pompeii? Rome.
We flew into Rome, took a bus down to Positano, which is on the Amalfi Coast. We hit Pompeii on the way.
Ah, cool.
Yeah, and probably my ancestors.
Like a 3 hour, I think. It wasn't bad.
There's so many places to see.
We're close to Naples.
That's why they have that.
I'm taking the steps.
I think what was amazing was Pompeii. The city was set up with drainage systems. I mean, just
Well constructed right out.
Well, you look at the Roman architecture, and some of these cultures were so advanced for their time.
what I found amazing, it's like you study American history, 1776. Columbus maybe 1492.
Well, even here.
And then, like, you try to study Roman history. How much before BC and shit, you know?
Well, the problem is in the United States, anything that starts getting old, we tear it down. We have no real history in the United States. But still, old architecture structures, you look like
I kind of love the Vegas mentality. You get sold, tear it down, and build something new.
Go ahead. Yeah.
Oh, what's up, please?